is 2. Degree of numerator is 2 and degree of denominator is 3. So obviously, if we rearrange this problem by limit extending to infinity, 1 by extending to 0, highest power if we take it out, 1 minus 1 by x plus 7 by x square, and take x cube out, we get 1 plus 1 by x minus 1 by x cube. So what we get when extending to infinity 1 by extending to 0, this can again be written as limit 1 by extending to 0, 1 by x into 1 minus 1 by x plus 7 by x square divided by 1 plus 1 by x minus 1 by x cube. The resultant answer will be 0 because 0 into 1 will always give you 0, option C.